In today's video, I will show you how to download WordPress to your PC or laptop. Firstly, we need to go to Google and search for WordPress download. First link should be official WordPress site. Click on it. Now in this site, click on blue Download WordPress button. Your available version and what you see on the screen might be different if new version's available, but still click on the button and downloading will start. It will take a while. When it's finished, just locate downloaded folder and unzip it. If you can't right now, you need to download WinRAR. It's free software for unzipping. When you are done with unzipping, just go into folder and you have WordPress files. Now in the next video, we will show you how to install it on your Windows PC or laptop. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.